What's up, y'all? Just chilling at the truck stop, grilling, baby. Look at that. Finally got the grill out, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, y'all. Back here. Kind of windy, so the fire ain't staying up. It ain't staying lit. I'm gonna make sure it gets there. Hey, y'all, we back. Got the pork or the beef tenderloin steak on there. Served at the truck stop. As y'all know, we right here. Got my little grill out, doing what I love to do. Y'all know I like to cook. What y'all think? Y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Y'all thinking? We like I am. Sir, sir, sir. This is what strawberry look like. Got some applewood chunks, cherry wood, with some beef chips. Of course, got my Gatorade, got my baby movies, daughters. You know, more Gatorade. What we do? We out here. Yeah, I got it done. It's gonna be profited off it. Got it done, y'all. Nice medium rare steak with a butter, parsley, garlic, sauce, butter on top. It's done. And I'm out.